Hi folks, this is Peggy Desiderio with Keller Williams Realty, Atlanta North. I've been a licensed realtor for over 38 years, and I'm here today to recommend Atlanta Kitchen Renovations. I have recently viewed this property, and I am completely impressed with the finishing job of the kitchen cabinets here in this home. This is a lacquer finish cabinetry, and in my opinion, you cannot tell the difference between these refinished cabinets and brand new factory finish cabinets. The job is absolutely stunning and professional. You open up the doors and the interior completely painted as well. This is a very economical and viable way to give your home and your kitchen in particular a facelift, and do it in a way that will meet your budget. These cabinets, upper and lower, cost $6,700 to repaint. The doors are new, but all of the cabinetry and boxes are original, and the finish is absolutely outstanding. So if you're thinking about a renovation today or a facelift for your kitchen, please look into Atlanta Kitchen Renovations. They are the best. Thank you.